Oh dear. It's been a long time since I caught a sneeze on camera. I just died as well. And I just died as well, so I caught it on time. I was just about to turn my phone off and I started sneezing, but luckily I hadn't turned it off, so I quickly clicked on camera. I started to record. Oh dear. Well, there's been a dramatic change in the weather here. The whole of October was unusually warm. And then on Sunday, it's now Tuesday morning, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. But since Sunday, the temperature has dropped at least 10 degrees compared to what we had for the rest of October. And it's cold. The wind is cold. It's raining. That's cold. Oh God, everything's cold. I don't like the cold. That's maybe why I'm sneezing, because maybe I've got a cold or getting a cold. Anyway, I think my season's finished. Love you all, folks. Keep you updated. Keep watching. Like the post. Subscribe and share if you want to. Bye.